And joining me now, of course, is Chris Player and Carla Edwards of Stevens, Hale and Associates Insurance. Thanks, guys, for joining us. We're talking about Home Connect TV today. It's so nice to see you.
Thanks for having us.
Well, let's start off talking about Home Connect TV. I mean, how does that benefit you guys?
I think Home Connect offers prospective home buyers a great opportunity and resources to use as they're going through the home buying process.
It's a great way to get information out to people and consumers so that they can learn and be informed buyers.
You know, it's not all just about the home, as we all know. I mean, we can find the best home available out there, but there are other things that obviously homeowners need to think about, like insurance, and that's where you guys come in.
There's a lot of factors that come into play when you're buying a home, and I would suggest that a home buyer would want to consult with their insurance agent and rely on their expertise to guide them in the right direction.
And that's what you guys do. I mean, at Stevens, Hale and Associates Insurance, I mean, folks who come to you and they know nothing about, maybe it's a first-time home buyer, they know nothing about insurance and how it works. I mean, walk me through the process. Is that something that you guys do? You guide them through and direct them what's best for them?
We do, and we can sit down and speak to them and find out, in almost an interview like this, we can find out what their needs are, and an insurance policy can be tailored to fit their needs.
Chris, what do you see since you've been working in the insurance industry, are some of the mistakes that people make when purchasing a new home where insurance is concerned?
A lot of times we see home buyers that lack the due diligence that's associated with buying a home. You know, maybe it might be the age of the roof. Perhaps it might be the flood zone that they're located in. These factors really come into play, especially like you mentioned, when it comes down to the monthly payment. And it's important to do the legwork on the front end to make sure that you're not into a home and then all of a sudden you're surprised with increasing insurance premiums.
You know, who comes up with the appropriate amount of insurance that's needed for a new purchase?
You know, Natalie, a lot of times, especially in this market, a home buyer may purchase a home that's maybe it's a foreclosure. You know, they may purchase a home at a very low price, but when we look at insuring a home, the objective is to insure the home for what it would take to rebuild it.
What would you say to our viewers out there, specifically, if they have questions about insurance and maybe they're looking at purchasing that next home or that first-time home in the very near future?
Well, it's very important to always maintain a close relationship with your insurance agent. At Stevens, Hale and Associates, we provide consultative advice in helping our clients protect their assets and insure the property that they acquire.
Stevens, Hale and Associates Insurance. Now, you guys are located on Hodgson Memorial.
That's right.
What really sets you apart in this area, would you say?
The main thing is that we're an independent insurance agency. And what that means to the client is that we have access to numerous insurance carriers. So we're able to somewhat, you know, you may want to say we're able to shop the marketplace for them and find the best fit and the best insurance product at the most competitive price.
And it's so wonderful that we have something like Home Connect TV to promote not only the wonderful homes out there, but also to promote the educational tools that you really need to know. And insurance is something that is very important, especially when purchasing.
Absolutely. We're happy to be a part of such a great thing and a great product for home buyers.
We want to thank you, Carla and Chris, for joining us again, and we hope you'll come back and talk to us really soon.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for having us.